Hey everybody, this is Andy Modell. Recently, I was able to take some of my favorite signed Flesh and Blood playmats and put them up on this wall in my office. And after posting a few photos, a few people have asked me how I managed to do it and get it to look so clean. So for this strategy, it's actually really simple. I didn't have to do anything to the playmats. I can still, in the future take them out if I want to use them or sell them. And the main secret here is these BCW playmat top loaders. You can get them in packs of 5 usually. They're a bit hard to find stock, but basically I got 2 5-packs and I got 8 of them up here on the wall. Now the thing that's important is you have to get the BCW ones and not the Ultra Pro ones, because the Ultra Pro ones are just a little bit shorter and the Flesh and Blood playmats stick out from the top, so you probably won't be that happy with there. Now to get them to adhere to the wall, what I did was I just used some of these command strips. These are double-sided adhesive thingies that are intended to be used on walls, and you can't really see the tabs too well because I just have the tabs facing up and the next ones go behind it. So overall I just have one tab on each corner of the top, and I just pressed them for a while and they've been up here for a few days without any problem. So if you have some playmats that you got maybe from like the Pro Tour or Worlds and you want to put them up on the wall, this is a pretty good strategy, and I find that when I am doing some recording or whatever, I'm going to like having this as a nice background. So thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any comments down below and subscribe to my channel. It'll really help me out. Thank you very much and have a good day.